Determined Gardener here. Let's go shopping at one of my favorite stores. It's Aldi. They have a whole host of garden supplies here. I'm going to show you what they have. They have this self-watering planter for $4.99, and they have it in black and green. Take a look at the inside of it. It has the grooves to help with watering. You can see it's hanging by these cables. It's okay. Again, it's only $4.99, so what can you expect? It's not the prettiest, but hopefully it does the job. Now, I don't know what your Aldi looks like, but this Aldi really needs a little bit of organization here. Looking a little messy, but we got these set of 3 plant trellises, and this one comes in gold. You can see the different designs, and this one is in black. This design, I think I like the gold one a little better, and this is $4.99 for the set of plant trellises. Hey, looky here. This I think is the best bargain. This is 4 plant trays, and it comes with lids for $4.99, guys. These are trays, seed starter trays. $4.99, and it's kind of like a self-watering a little bit. You put the water at the bottom. You can see the holes in the little sections, and it comes with a lid. I love this. This is a really great buy. I think this is even better than Home Depot or Lowe's. I got this about 2 days ago. So far, I think my seeds are doing well. I would love for it to come with a light, but then that would be much more expensive than $4.99. But yes, this is a great bargain if you're just starting out and you want to start your seeds now. Here's the seed starting pellets for $4.99. 96 pellets comes in this package. I had to pick this watering bulbs. Look how pretty that is. It went right in my cart. It's green and purple, and it's supposed to be a glass watering bulbs. Now, I don't really like those, but the fact that it looks like this is really a statement. This really says if you have a small space, easy and elegance. For me, that's what it's all about this year. Easy elegance, and this is from Garden Line. I'm not a big indoor plant person, but I always need extra room to put my plants. And take a look at this plant stand. Isn't it gorgeous? And this would most likely work indoors. I don't think it's going to work outdoors. I mean, if you are in an area where you don't get a lot of rain, this would work. But this is really an indoor plant stand. And it's about, let's see, 3 feet. Isn't it beautiful? This would definitely look nice in your bedroom, your living room, in a corner area where you need to put some stuff and spice it up a little bit. $12.99 for this wooden ladder plant stand. This is a spring garland. Looks a little beat up. I think this is $2.99 or $3.99. I'm not sure because no, it's $19.99. I would pass on that, but I mean, it's pretty. I mean, it's fake, but I'd leave that behind. Definitely not worth $19.99. I couldn't resist this. This is a propagation station. How cute is that? This is $9.99. I'm always looking for cuttings. And, sometimes you don't want to put it in just a regular plastic cup. You want it to look a little cute, right? Especially if you're going to put it on your dining room table or your living room table. So this is what it actually looks like. It's missing a vase, but look at how cute it is. All the vases just pop in there just like that. It's hard plastic. So this is $9.99, and it swings. Oh, this is so cute. So this is definitely going in my cart. They got these decorative baskets for $7.99. Now this is really for indoors, but you can use it outdoors to collect your vegetables, dry vegetables like lettuce, collard greens. I wouldn't leave it outside, but it's cute, and it only comes in black. And we all need seedlings paper pots. These are really cute. This is 30 for $3.99. I mean, I like the way it looks. It's biodegradable, so you can put your plants in here and then just put it in your raised bed or put it right straight in your garden. All these bulbs are $7.49. They have dahlia bulbs and a pollinator garden. How cute is that for $7.99? And cannas, and I see liatris, all these types of bulbs right here at Aldi. Blackout lily, and there's 5 in a pack. And you got your gladiolas, and this is really cute, a perfect blend of daisies. And I think there, how many bulbs in here? Not sure. There's 9 bulbs, 9 different bulbs for $7.99. This package only comes with 1 peony, and it's the Carl Rosenfield peony. And I have that in my garden. I can't wait to start my peonies. I have about 30 varieties. In an upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to keep peonies thriving throughout the season. Take a look at what I found. Ooh, I think this is coming home with me. These are elephant ears, 3 elephant ears for $7.49. The more I look, the more I'm in trouble. I am seeing some great garden finds. Take a look at this butterfly garden right here. Isn't that gorgeous? This would be perfect in my shade garden. A whole variety of hostas for $7.49. Now, if you think about it, if you get something like this in Home Depot, it's going to be so much more expensive. But this starts as a bulb, so you're going to have to be patient. But just take a look at the different hostas that you get. Oh my God. Here's another one. If you like dahlias, 3 dahlia bulbs. If you have an Aldi in your neighborhood or in your town or city, I would suggest you stop by, because I'm assuming that the garden supplies will increase as the season goes on. So thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, Determined Gardener. If you liked any of this video, if you got any inspiration from this video, or you just like me, just do me a favor and hit that sub button, that like button, and share this video with your family and friends. I am so excited to start gardening, and this is my second store that I love. I'm going to be coming here often to check out what garden supplies they have throughout the spring and summer. See you in the next video. Stay rooted.